Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, let's work with this tank. This is a Romanian tank of World War II. So the first task of the kit is to remove all these sprue pieces. There you go. There's those pieces. Then I'll clean up these little sprue marks there. There for that one. Now it's just this. Let's go ahead and clean or cut this sprue pieces there. There you go. Alright, so now it's just a matter of getting this support plastic from underneath this gun and clipped away. Just take your clippers and clip this stuff away. Alright, so there's that. Clean that up a bit. You could sand it down if you wish. Might do that here. Alright, so officially all the pieces are available to glue. The first step is let's get some glue here and there. Then I'm going to use the table to help guide those pieces in together. There you go. Next, actually, is the tracks. So, put some glue there, 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 there. Just visualize that. Make sure it gets into the correct position like that. There you go. Now let's do the other side. There you go. Put that on like that. Alrighty then. Next, let's put a bunch of glue here. Take this gun, light it in there. Then I'm just going to make sure that it's straight and in the correct position. There you go. Checking the tracks again. So that's pretty good. Hopefully that gun stays there. The next step, I suppose, is optional. You can just put a bunch of glue here and here. These are the crates that go on the tank. Like I said, you could reference some historical pictures and see exactly where these go. But I'm just going to put mine here like that. And then let's go ahead and put it on the one back here as well. Some crates for the tank. So there's like an extra crate here. Alright, I think that's good. Alright, so this is a little Romanian tank from World War II, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.